if we take an example of a label dish, take this label dish, as you can see, it's given me all of my anchor points again. And if I wanted to keep this label dish top center at all times of this panel, I would choose the middle top anchor. I will now place the label dish where I want it to be, and it's now going to remember its position relative to that middle anchor point. Change the case size. We could even change the lid height slightly. You'll notice after this update, this label dish will stay exactly where it is relative to the top middle point. And there we go. If you wanted to do a central label dish or piece of hardware, we'll choose the view of the face we want to be on, choose a label dish, and this time we would select the very middle anchor point if we wanted to keep this in the middle. Defaults to the middle, and you can check with the center measurements. So that is now remembering its measurement relative to the anchor point, which essentially is a 0 millimeter or 0 inch offset, as it is right centered on it. So when we place that and make our case smaller, you'll see as this updates, it will hold that central position right down the middle of the top panel.